The objective in chainsaw is to cut these logs into pieces of this length, using as little fuel as you can. Hit start to fire up your chainsaw. Hit stop to stop your chainsaw. You can see some results here. I cut 6 acceptable pieces and have 14 units of fuel remaining, which is 35%. The pieces marked green are acceptable pieces. The ones marked red are either too short or too long. The ones marked yellow are remnants, leftovers. You can see the graph of the results here. This graph shows the lengths of all the pieces I just cut. The green acceptable pieces, the reds are either too short or too long. It appears that I'm tending to cut pieces that are too long. I can use that information to improve my play. Okay, time to get to work. Good luck, and be careful with those chainsaws.